hide with you guys?
No, your hiding spots are too easy to find.
You'd never last around with us pros.
I'll come up with the best hiding spot, you'll see.
Let's show off our best tricks. Ready?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be amazing.
Can I join? I've been practicing my balancing trick.
Now, you're too young for this competition.
But I've worked so hard.
Sorry, maybe next year.
Wait, where's the small kitten?
Yeah, they've been so quiet lately.
Wow, didn't see that coming.
Looks like you belong after all.
Told you I'd show you.